If you've been looking for a legit remote job you can do from home and you're tired of scrolling through listings that either feel a little sketchy or maybe they actually don't pay what you need, this video is for you because today I'm going to show you real companies that are hiring remote right now. And some of these I've actually applied to myself. So they include everything: the PTO, the benefits, the 401k. Like most jobs that I feature on this page, unless they're a contracting position, obviously, but most jobs that I feature on my channel will have the PTO, the 401k, the benefits. Some have company retreats, some have gift cards that they for lunches, lab equipment provided, all that stuff. So if you're looking for a legit job that includes all that stuff, definitely you want to subscribe to my channel. And the reason why I know so many companies is because I had been applying in the past. I was looking for remote even before the pandemic happened. So I have a whole database of companies that are currently hiring remote, and they have been hiring remote even before the pandemic, which is pretty cool. But make sure you stay till the end of this video because I'm going to show you an option that doesn't rely on a job at all. First company is FedEx. You've heard of FedEx. This is a FedEx Logistics. So it's a customs trade specialist. Here is the description of the job. So there's some data entry and processing of various import-related documentation. High school diploma or GED, minimum of 12 months of industry experience preferred, but minimum of 6 months work experience required. So data entry, keyboard experience required, knowledge of MS Office, including Outlook. So the pay, $15.80 to $25 an hour, Monday through Friday from 8 to 4:30 Eastern Standard Time. Now, if this is a position that maybe isn't quite your, no worries, because if you go to FedEx's career page and under location you type remote, they actually have 26 remote positions that you can apply for. Drawback specialist, I have no idea what that is. Customs trade specialist, enterprise architect. So we got some engineering positions here. I don't even know what a lot of these are. But anyway, if you've ever wanted to work for FedEx, maybe there's a job here that makes sense for you to apply for. Next company is called Vetco. This is actually one of the companies that I did apply for, got rejected, but it's all cool. But their benefits are pretty amazing. Open vacation policy, so unlimited PTO. And I think that they want you to take at least 3 weeks, but most people take 5 weeks vacation. I think this is the one. And they also might offer 2 weeks around Christmas, but we'll get to that. I just want to verify. Stock options and benefits, 401k matching. So they have a ton of positions. So growth and marketing, operation, design, legal, finance, sales and retention, customer service, account management, and of course, engineering. So let's take a look at, they have a chat support associate. Wait till you see the pay. Okay, even though it's a chat support associate, it does look like they do live chats, phone calls, emails, and internal oh, but then here it says you'll be responding to user inquiries by chat, email, yeah, and phone. Okay. Here are the requirements, and then here are the benefits. And most importantly, here is the pay, $50,000 to $80,000 being a chat associate, yeah, pretty cool. Oh, plus you get bonus, equity, and benefits. Oh, and Vetco, what they do is create veterinary software. So if you love animals, that might be the company for you. So real quick, if you're watching this and you're thinking, okay, cool, this is helpful, but I don't want to rely on a job forever. I totally, completely understand that. Because the truth is, even with a great remote job, you're still trading your time for money. And you're also, if you're anything like me, I've been laid off 2 times in the past 10 years. So knowing that your income can literally disappear like that is a little scary, right? So that's actually why I started to learn how to build an online income from home, something that can actually pay you daily without relying on a boss, a schedule, or clocking in. So if you want to learn simple skills that you can earn anywhere from $100 a day all the way up to $1,400 a day, without bugging your friends and family, without dealing with rejection. I have a step-by-step beginner blueprint that shows you exactly how it works, and you can grab that in the description below. Next is a company called School Links. They're looking for a customer support specialist. So it looks like they primarily do chat and email. So they are looking for 1 to 2 years experience in customer support. Oh, and School Links is a modernized college and career readiness program, but they offer 100% health coverage for employee, 401k matching, dental, vision, parental leave. Salary for this position, $55,000 to $66,000. If customer support isn't your thing, definitely take a look at their website because they're right now hiring a good amount of remote positions. And there you go. Next company. One of my favorite companies, this is a company I actually check out all the time because they very rarely have positions open because their benefits are just that good. And they actually have a position open. But the company is called You Need a Budget, and they actually work on 4-day work weeks. They offer profit sharing twice a year, 100% coverage for health, dental, and vision. They offer 401k, and they're hiring for a data analyst. Here are some of the requirements. Preferred qualifications. Compensation is $85,000 to $110,000 a year. So you can live anywhere in the U.S., 4-day work weeks, flexible work schedule, take vacation. Okay, sorry, I got everything confused. So this is the company, they want you to take a minimum of vacation of 3 weeks a year, but average is about 5 weeks plus 2 extra weeks for a Christmas break. Yeah, and this is actually a pretty lengthy post. And then they talk about like how to actually apply. But yeah, if this is something that is your thing, I would highly recommend applying because this company is amazing. Next is a company called Team Snap. Again, another company that I actually interviewed for. I almost got one position, but I turned it down because, long story. Anyway, it was actually like a part-time night position, and I was looking for a daytime, full-time position. But anyway, they are currently, so they develop software to help sports teams. So say your game is rained out and you have to notify everyone. What they do is they go in this app and they create a message, and then the app gives that message to all the coaches and players and parents and all that stuff. So they've been fully remote before the pandemic started. Right now they're looking for engineering, marketing, and sales. So we will check out this software engineering position. So for this position, they want 5+ years experience. But what I actually want to show you is all the benefits. The minimum starting point for this role is $150,000 plus that's base and bonus. So you get unlimited PTO, 100% premium coverage of medical, dental. And if you're really interested in this company, they, on their careers page, and actually, probably right here, they show you the benefits in detail, like the medical benefits. Pretty cool. 401k, $1,500 annual learning stipend, a home allowance so you could set up your home, and a monthly stipend reimbursement for health and wellness. So yeah, a ton of benefits that they offer with this company. Next company is Kickstarter, and they are offering 2 marketing jobs that are remote. Check out this creator success specialist position. The salary is $70,000, and what they require, at least 2 years professional work experience in a customer-facing role, fully remote, 100% employer-paid health plan, which is amazing, 16 paid vacation days, 10 sick days, company-wide winter break and New Year's, annual stipend, including remote working, and wellness stipend of $3,000 for each calendar year related to remote working, wellness, health, and fitness, and a $500 role development stipend. Kickstarter operates with a 4-day work week. And right now it looks like they're only hiring in these following states. These are the companies and jobs that I have for you today. If there is a job that you are currently looking for that I haven't covered, please let me know in the comments below so that when I do my research, hopefully I'll come across something to be able to help you out. And if I see something, obviously I'll be able to feature in the future video. So don't forget to subscribe so you get more videos just like this. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.